Hello Jackdaws and Ravens. Today you're going to keep practicing your multiplication of two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers, but I've got a quick few questions for us to go through. Now, I want you to pause the video in the moment and check the working out of my calculation on the board. So you need to pause the video now, see if you can spot the mistake in this working out. So you all should have had a chance to look at this sum. So, what did you think the mistake was, and are you right at the end? So I need to check that I've done multiplied both digits at the top by 30 and by 4. In fact, I'm going to write that next to it, because that's what I need to check that I'm doing. I've done 52, not by 2, Miss Smart, by 4. But I've done 52 multiplied by 4, and then 52 multiplied by 30. So 2 times 4 is 8, correct. And then 5 times 4 I know is 20. So that is right on my top row. Then, what did I forget to do? I didn't put in my place value holder. So I need to rub this out, because it's definitely going to change my answer. I need to put in my place value holder because I'm not multiplying by 3, I'm multiplying by 30. Now I can do 3 times 2, which I know is 6, and I can do 5 times 3, which I know is 15. And then can't have two answers to a sum, so I need to add up my two answers. So 8 add 0 is 8, 0 add 6 is going to be 6, 5 add 2 is 7, and I've got 1 in my thousands column. Did you guess right? Did you notice that I'd forgotten my place value holder? Okay, I'm going to show you another one. So pause the video now. See if you can spot the mistake I've done here. It's a different mistake. See if you can spot what I have done wrong. So you've had a chance to think about it now. Have you spotted it? Could you explain to someone what I have done wrong? Right, I'm going to go again. I need to remember that I'm doing first 22 multiplied by 6, and then 22 multiplied by 50. Those are the two sums I'm doing with my two rows, my two answers that I'm going to get. Now I can go 2 times 6, we know is 12. But should I write 12 like this with my 2 in the ones and my 10 in the tens? No, I haven't done my jottings. So, get the rubber Miss Smart. Right. So straight away I can see I've not been jotting down correctly. So 2 times 6 we know is 12. I need to put the 2 in my ones, and then I need to, just nice and small so I know it's there, jot the 10 of my 12 in the tens column. And then when I do the next sum, which is 2 times 6 again, what do I need to do with that 1? I need to add it to 12. So 12 add 1, I know is 13. And I would write it like that. You could rub it out or simply cross it out to know that we have added on that 1. Now I'm going on to my next sum, 22 times 50. Remembering my place value holder. And now I can do 5 times 2, which is 10. Am I going to write 10 like this? No, because I've still got to do the second digit, the second part of that sum, which is 20 times 50. So I'm going to cross that out. I know 5 times 2 is 10. I'm going to put the 0. Jot the 1, the 10 of my 10 to add onto the next number. 5 times 2 again is 10. 10 add 1 is going to give me 11. And I would do it like that. Cross out my jotting so that I know I've done it. 2 add 0 is 2. 3 add 0, it stays with 3. 1 and 1 is 2. I know I don't have to add that because I crossed it out. Really important to cross out your jottings so you don't add them again. And then that leaves 1 in my thousands column and gives us an answer of 1,232. Well done if you spotted that mistake as well. Right, I've just got one more example for us to do together before you move on to your practice. you have a target your maths page to do today, and you need to focus on sections A and section B. If you really want a challenge, you can move on to section C at the end, but focus on sections A and B to get that practice in, multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits. Right, if you want to pause the video and have a go and then check back in at the end, you can. If not, I'm going to go through this question. So 7 times 6 I know is 42. I'm going to put the 2 in the ones column and jot the 4 for the 40. So I know I need to add it into the next column. 4 times 6, 24. I need to add this 4, which is going to give me an answer of 28. And I can just write it like that. Cross out my jotting so that I know that I've done it. I'm now moving on to the second. I'm moving on to multiplying by this 20 here. So that tells me I need to put in my 0 place value holder. Now I can do 2 times 7, which is 14. Wrong colour. 2 times 7 I know is 14. I'm going to write the 4, carry the 1 to add into the next. 4 times 2 is 8. Adding on my 1 is going to give me 9. And then I add those 2 up, just like this. Can carry over that 10 under the line, just like we know when we've done column addition and subtraction. And then 9, 10, 11, adding this 1 will give me 12 and give me an answer of 1,222. Well done if you've got that answer as well. Good luck with your practicing today. Any questions you can post on the blog, or you can come back to this video or the video that we put up yesterday to see if that can help you. Best of luck. See you tomorrow.